Now, within step 5, we will go over reconciliations that have missing, ghost, or duplicate transactions. So we will go back to QuickBooks, we will select the gear icon in the top right corner, and we will select Reconcile. I have the statement in front of me, so I will put in the ending balance of $59.53.66 and the ending date of April 7th and start reconciling. We can see that there is a difference of $250, not $0 as it should be. We can also see that there are 2 transactions that did not clear the credit card. In reconciliations with a lot of transactions, you can sort by cleared date to see which ones did not clear. We'll sort by amount here because we can see that there is a duplicate. Here, there are 2 transactions for the same amount on the same date to the same vendor. Looking at the statement, we know that only one of these transactions was actually made, and we know that we only paid PSE&G one time for this service. So we will go into the duplicate transaction, the one that did not clear, and we will delete it. We can do that by clicking More, then Delete. Now that we figured that out, we also have to look at the other transaction that did not clear, and there's still this $250 difference. This $250 payment said it came from the checking account, which, looking at the credit card statement, it did, but it did not clear the credit card on QuickBooks. We know by checking this off, it'll resolve the difference, but we need to make sure it clears. Ideally, we want to make sure all transactions have a cleared date on the reconciliation. So we'll go back to the Bank Transactions tab to see if we left a transaction behind. Under the credit card, we'll see this $250 transaction. Oops, we forgot to categorize it. But if we simply press Add, we'll have a duplicate because it will be in the checking account side as an expense and the credit card side as a payment. So we need to match it. Select Match. QuickBooks will look for similar transactions, and there, we can see it. It's the same amount from the checking account on the same date, and we can select Match. Now, if we go back to the reconciliation, we can see that the transaction clears on the credit card side. Now, all the transactions have cleared, the difference is 0, the charges and the payments match the credit card statement, as well as the ending and beginning balances. So, we can finish the reconciliation.